All right, welcome back. So with a minute to the open, this is what we got so far. We didn't achieve a good Monday yesterday, but I think the market is picking up today. So looking forward to take some good trades. The month is looking pretty similar to other months, as you can see, January, February, March, April. So we'll still have a few days to reach our goal of 2K. So we'll see how well that goes. I gotta slow down when the market is not hot. I'm losing money when the market is not hot. So that's what distinguishes a good trader versus a great trader. I think knowing when to scale in and scale out based on the market volatility and market sentiment. So here we go. I like ATER. I like this one too. They're all pretty good. They're both pretty good. See if we can get a nice dip here, 32 to 29. Here we go. Nice. Start with 1.4 maybe. 32 to 29. That's a nice dip right there. Love to take that dip, 32 to 29. Oh, did we go there? We did go there. Nope. All right, this one. All right. Looks like we're running. Looks like we're gonna go with this. Dip here. 18. I'll take 18 and a 19. Good job. Good job on that dip. Let's see how well do you want to hold this level. In a 19, the low that is 18. I can grab another dip. Let's see, still want to hold. Hopefully it doesn't go all the way down. I can add a little lower at 17, 15. We'll see. Doesn't want to go just yet, but holding. I'll keep my stop tight. Keep my stop tight. See if we can get a little lower. There we go, 16. Should have sized up on that. Should have probably sized out. Keep it a little low. I'll keep it tight. Nice. Okay, good manage there. Oh my gosh, this one too. What a stop. Okay, let's go. I want to add on this. I want this to give me a nice bull flag. I'm in at 17. Not yet. At least not yet. 18 is holding though. I want to take a little lower here. You want to go to 15? Did I just get out of that? 11 is a good spot there. I think this is going to have a nice dip. 16. Watching 16, 15, 15. Yes, 15. In there, 15. All right, there we go. Stop is 11. Oh, I'm getting stopped out. I'm getting stopped out. I'm getting stopped out. Ah, dang it. Chasing that dip, man. Ah, sadly, I gave it too much confidence. Gave it too much confidence. Hmm. So I want to see if we can get a dip here. I gotta slow down. Took a bad loss there. It's going into a hold. Man, it looked great for a dip, but too much confidence on that thing. It's not the best decision there, and this one ended up being the one, and this one holding down. Ah, decisions. That's what we do. So let's see if we can get something good after this hold. All right, so 20 seconds to resumption. Target on this is 87. We're assuming flat. Um, Considering how the market has been, we got a uh, not too much confidence, but I will take a dip. 66 to 53, somewhere in there. I'll try to keep it tight and see if I can get any lower. I don't know where the whole band is going to be, but let's see. Under 66. There it is. So in at 69, in at 69, 69 held, 80, 80, 80s. Nice. Oh, I tried to get out 80s. So I did try to get out 80s, but it didn't get me out, didn't it? I got most of it out, I think. Only 200 shares didn't fit. So looking for a dip closer to the 50s. 39 is a hold down. 53 is a stop. Looking for that dip. Gotta be patient on it. Gotta be patient on it. Be patient on it. It did do a dip here, 61. So let's see if it wants to dip again. It's SSR, so let's see if we can get a nice dip. I don't know, I would go small size and then see if it holds. And then try it a few times on the dip. I'll take that. I'm in at 65, 70. Okay. So I'm in here, all right? Let's see if we can add on this. I want to take this to be the trade of the day. So it's got volume. We're gonna make that move to $2. I'll add at 72. Let me add at 72 from this dip. The candle dip, 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 dip. Dip. Adding right there. 68 is my average. You don't say you're gonna fail here. You don't say you're gonna fail on this one, huh? Bounce, bounce. You gotta be joking, brother. Holding here, just giving it a little extra room. Giving it a little extra room. Nice. I did on the dip. What did I add? 70 was my fill. So 3 cents off my fill, not bad, but I would like this to go now. Bro, it sucks getting it out. It sucks. Oh no, man. All right, I'm pushing it too hard. I'm pushing it in areas where, man, from 55, from 65, added 70. That will ended up being a loss. Don't like it. It looks like it's gonna come down. Back to my entry, basically. Maybe I'll get a dip. I'm trying to push that thing to break this level, but I guess it's not the market for it. Maybe I'll get the market for it one time. So looking for this dip under 50, that would be much better. Here we go. It goes up here now. Man, that sucks. Okay. Uh, I'm trying to add, I'm trying to add to these positions. Here you go. Fix this. All right, there you go. 70. It wants to go. I mean, it's not gonna go when I want it to go, but we'll see. Can get too greedy either. Not get too greedy. Yeah, I would have loved to see that. It's getting shorted, and every time it makes a new high. So back to 69, 67. So I want it inside the gap one more time. Eighty. 80 might hold this time. No. Hmm. 66 held. 66, 65 held. What did I get out? 66. Oh well. So watching it, seeing what happens, is the only thing that's actually moving, so we'll stay patient there. This has a squeeze in it. It's a matter of getting this at a good price. That's a squeeze in it. So it depends where is it going to give a dip. So 66 has been holding strong, so I might even get in 66 there. Just to test it out. Test the waters at 66. So that's been holding very strong. Let's see. $68. 68. Okay, I'll get in here. Tight stop. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to get in a little lower. All right. So top of the gap right here. It's been holding strong. If you go to 67, I need to get out. Yeah, out. Now I'm looking for something lower. I'm looking for below 50 now. Stop is 53. There it is. Bang. 57. So I'm in at 57 here. Stop is 53. So if it goes to 53, fine. Gotta respect the stop. This likes to linger around a certain price. So it might linger around 57, it might linger around 55, but I gotta make sure we don't break 53 here. So don't break 53. Nice, good hold, 53. I'm in at 57, a little bit high, but I think we can recover. I think we can recover. Recover. Now out 53 there. It's breaking. Eee. Ah, didn't really break 53. Let's see it. Hmm. Ah, darn it. Darn it. Oh, what? And this one too? All right, looks like we're stocks are out to play today. Let's see if we get a dip here. Man, it never broke 63, so I kind of butchered that too. Never broke 63 when it looked like it was going to do it. Ah. Hmm. All right, let's see. High of this is 21. We're assuming at 24. A little dip there. Could be interesting. Here, I'm gonna grab this dip here. I don't think it'll break all the way through. See if I can grab like 54. And I'll keep that tight. I'll reduce size. Not quite. Not quite. Hmm. Here we go. Let's see if I can get 55, 56 on this dip. Hopefully it doesn't just crash. And I think it's gonna hold here. I got 50. Oh, didn't get a chance to get in. Dang it. Good dip though, good dip. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, 30 seconds on this. All right, 15 seconds. Looks like they're short-lived moves, so let's see if we can grab a dip here under 19. Not the most comfortable place for me to buy it. 20 or 19. I'm in at 20. 17. Are you joking me, man? Dang, that's brutal. I'm getting rocked today. Okay, so this is cannot trade this. I cannot trade this, bro. I cannot trade this. It's laughable at this point. I'm down 350. All right, I am a beyond max loss, so oh, sadly, this market is just tapping me out. I tried to get a dip at 20, got out 15, got a little lower 17, out 11. Came too confident, maybe. All right, well, that's even just 1,000 shares too. Wow. Hmm. Okay. Um, we got a reduced risk here. Let's just do 1,000. Maybe we get a nice dip here under 70. We'll keep it tight. Hmm. No, no. 71 was that low. Doesn't want to do it. Damage control now. Damage control. Right, here we go. Dip under 71. Hold size up on that. It's been pretty good on those dips. No, I can't seem to get a dip on this. So SNBR here. ATER. I'm not touching that. I'm already down 300 on it. SNBR. We're assuming pretty soon. 371. So what, a dip in the 330s? The only way I trade is if I see a dip all the way down there. 50s, below 50, below 50, below 50, 50. Wow. Okay. Back down. So I would take this dip. Let me see if we can get a dip here. Below 70. Quick one. 66 being the stop. I like that top of that gap, how two gaps come together. So not quite. Man, this just takes me out. I have no confidence at 50, which is good. It was not bad. Okay, here we go. Oh, I missed this. 69. There are buyers here. Let's see how well those buyers are going to hold. 68, 67. I'll take 67. Nice. So I would take some profit really quickly here. Okay, cool. I'll take some profit really quickly. Get myself back in the motion so that I'm not struggling with a fat loss. Um, so dang. All right. So reducing the loss is good to see. So what do we do here? Like, are we going to another halt? Like, I would love to see this below 50. Man, that would have been awesome. $4. You're able to hold four. It's a small size here. Four, 404. So I'm in at 404. So this thing needs to blast off here. Here we go. Almost took it out 20. But I'm confident we can get a good push here. Don't break four, don't break four, don't break four. There it is. Bro, this other stock is killing me. Yeah, it's gonna break four. Okay, I need to take my profit, bro. Okay, today I'm struggling to just don't want to take profit. I want to see a bigger move. And I should have taken it at 20. Ah, okay. Fine, 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 fine. I'm getting a little too greedy here. I'm getting a little too greedy. I gotta take what the market gives me. Getting a little too greedy here. Let's see if we can get a nice move to $2. So watching a tight stop here. There it is, 86. Gonna take my profit much quicker than I've done before. So 86 is a tight stop. If I see this over 90, out. Ah, just getting stopped out. Dang it. See if we can get a nice dip here. 84 to 74. Watching here. Brother. Ah, 83. Decent spot. Oh, man. This could really run through that place. Yeah. Man, okay. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. '96. 96, 99. Taking it out there. Okay. Taking my profit, taking my profit. I understand. I understand the mission now. Taking my profit. Today's one of those days you just gotta scalp it, I guess. Try to go for bigger moves, man. Really try to go for bigger moves. This one never broke 53. Dang it, bro. Um, okay. We'll take a dip 77. Hmm. Make this dip at 50s. It's SSR, so they can only push us so far. As long as there are buyers, they can only push us so far. So we almost got it. I want to see a dip down here. 84 is that low. No, we're not gonna get that dip, it seems. 1 minute gap is at 52. VWAP is at 42. Give this a 10-cent range when it gets to 52. 74 being that low. I could see this taking myself a dip here. $74. As long as you don't break 74 down there on that dip, want to see the dip. Let's see what we get here. Dip 79 there. And you retest 79, making sure that's where you want to dip. Dang it, man, I missed that too. Oh, bro, I am on something today, man. $42 here. 50, 52. This could be a good dip here. So what's this low? The low that is 35. Okay. The break's 40 for me. That's going to be a stop. But I think this is an interesting dip. So we can get over to maybe 55. Holding. 42 is not a bad spot. Don't break 40. Don't break 40. Nice. Almost stopped me out. 44. Looking for a top to over 50 here. Yeah, maybe not. Two red candles there. It's lingering. I wanted to see if we can get a nice push over 50. Take it out up there. I think it can. Pretend. There you go. Bang. Cool. So out right there, 52 for 10 cents. I don't know if it'll hold, but cutting down this loss, man. This loss has been brutal for us, for me. ATER took me to the cleaners. Let's see if this time it wants to do it here. 91. Hole 91. Let's do it. Hole 91. $5, 97, 98, $2. We can actually get the break here. Let's see. I will add here on this pullback 95, adding. Let's break through $2. Average is 94. Stop is sort of flat there. Squeeze, baby, squeeze. Looking for that squeeze there. It's prime spot for a squeeze. Fine, I'll take it at 2. Okay, good. Taking my profit. Man, what a journey. When the market is hot, you can get it back. But you know, gotta be careful. Oh wow, look at this. Oh wow, insane. Turned out to be a good spot, huh? Just got the 10 cents, but man, it kept going higher. $91. Small size there. Almost took it. 95 to 91. I'll take it. Ah, a little bit higher than I liked. I was late on it. I'll stop as 91. No, doesn't paint a good picture here yet. Stop is 91 though. Good green there. Good green, stop is flat, 94. Man, are we gonna see this? Are we gonna see this? Stop is 94. If I see 94, I gotta get out. Taking it at $2 again. Double top 2. Still pretty red on the day. Or no, I'm not pretty red. Okay, good. Back to flat. Oh my God, what a turn. What a day, bro. What a day. Can we get green on this? Can we finally get green on this, bro? Because it's been a tough day, man. Been a tough day. But the market's turning around. 204. That might have been a good spot to add, right? That was probably a good spot to add. You know, earlier I tried to add to my position, get a nice trade going, but I was not able to do it too well. Or the resolution was not there. I think I did it just fine. I did it here, but it gave everything back. So it keeps getting stuffed after a big move, right? But dips work well. Like here, if I would have taken this trade, added, and then just get stuffed, right? So it happens. Stuff like this happens. So good dip right here. Out at 2, went all the way up to 218. All right, maybe this is a good spot to add. and to take it out quickly on the squeeze. With SSR stocks, I think we gotta, especially these two stocks, take them out on the squeeze. Is ATER SSR? No. This thing took me to the cleaners, man. All right. We'll take a break. We're down 13 bucks. It was a wild day of Momo, but when we come back, we'll try to make something happen here. All right, here we go. Just 1K. Gonna take it easy here. See if we can grab a dip under 40, stop 37. It's moving quite quickly. 41's that low. Could go to a whole top. 10 seconds there. 43 is his other high. But I want to see a dip here. 41 to 37. I'm not sure if dips. I've taken dips on this and they don't work. So should I not take dips? Taking dips, but they don't work. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Here we go. Went to 40. Being patient. Went to 40. Ah, did go to 40 there. Brah. Dang. All right. Good tiny dip into that gap. 40. Ape again. It's like I'm starting fresh on the day. So, dang, not a chance. Like it just breaks right through it, you know? So that's gonna break. We got this other gap down here. Yep, bolting down. That is garbage, man. Garbage. Dang. I want to see a dip on this. I want to see a dip on this. Whatever. 66. I like this area here. So that low is 61. So I'm not sure if it's going to push all the way down there. But I like it here. I really do. 64. So I like it here. 63. Minute 65, basically. See how well this holds here. 61 is that area. Ah, don't break 61. Don't break 61. Don't break 61. Good. I had to be a tiny bit more patient. I thought it would bounce 64. Nice. Nice. 63. It's only 1K, not much. ATER, look at that nonsense, bro. 63. Let's see what this next candle's gonna do. I don't know if the volume has shifted yet on BY, BIYA. So I'm kind of waiting for kind of like a pop here of these low 61 double bottom. 64. Ideally, we get a nice move. Pop out of here, 65. That is my entry. Nice, 67. Don't want to see 64 again. Nice, 70. Good. Good. All right. If I see 64, I gotta get out. What is the high of this? 64, yeah. Well, there's a little gap right being formed here, so what we could see is 64 on the bid, but I don't want to see 64. Um, Yeah, I gotta give it, yeah. Right, what is this again? 64 is this high. So if it doesn't break 64, it's good. So if it breaks, okay, out, 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 out. No, thank you. I was just talking about it. Don't break 64 and then go straight down to 63, 62. There might be something down here though. There are buyers. There are great buyers down here. Small size, looking for the next wave, looking to position myself in a good spot for the next trade, and maybe grab a good day out of this. So how far down would you go? There's this area here, 53. I would probably grab it around 53, break 60. Big seller, out 53, that's good. Nice. This is the low of the move. We're curling here. We're gonna curl. We're gonna curl. I got it. I got it. We're gonna curl here. This is gonna be the trade of the day. Puts me green. Let's see. Don't break 53. Nice. Sellers at 61. I think we can get to not many huge red gaps, so it's been pretty good on the way down. I think we can make a move to 80 on this. We definitely can. So let's hope that this does not come down again. There's a seller though, 59. Seller stacked, but I think we can break them. They're getting stacked. Don't like it, but they're getting stacked. So we'll see this battle here take place. Nice. Moving out of the way. Thank you very much. VWAP is at 69. That might also be a tough position, but we'll see what it wants to do. All right. So the play here is a 5-minute gap. This green box is a 5-minute gap, right? And then I have this line here and the top of this, which also is also the top of this 5-minute gap. So this is a 1-minute gap right here too. So I got overlapping gaps, a 1 minute and a 5-minute. So that gives me a lot of support and a lot of confidence that there are going to be buyers here, right? So as we can see, there are 3 green 1-minute candles so far. Hopefully that keeps pushing. Volume is decreasing though. A lot of red volume on this, a lot of volume there, but we got some small volume trying to hold it up. Let's see what we got. It could be red here. It could be that we continue lower, but hopefully not. So hopefully not. We'll see. There might be a double bottom at 53 again. As long as we don't break it, I'm good. As long as we don't break it, We're good. Only small size. Only small size because we're looking for the bigger play. And we just came from a really tough day, right? Down 350 at most. So we'll see. I don't think I'm I don't think it's gonna flush. It hasn't given flush vibes. I don't think it'll flush. Maybe it'll linger for some time. Let's see. 57, 56. Don't break 53. Come on, don't break 53. Double bottom 53. Good job. Buyers popped up. You saw the month of green that came in at 53. That's awesome. Cover, 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 cover. Yes, sir. Cover, cover, cover. Nice. Good job. Great job. Picture perfect right there. If you got in at 53 on the double bottom, you did a great job. So I think I can get to 80 on this. 180. Depends how fast it wants to do it. Depends how much I want to add. So here we go. I could add here in this area. So 59 is as low. Maybe I could add a 52. Should I add less? It's the real question. Should I add less? No, I don't think so. I think this is good. So tap in VWAP. Or maybe am I adding too soon? So target here is 81. Actually, probably the break of 80. There's a small red gap right here. So target is that red gap. Still waiting. It's pushing. We'll see how well this thing wants to behave. But I wouldn't be too upset for a dip down here again. Right? 65 to 59. I wouldn't be too upset for a dip down here, which could be a good entry. If I get it at 62, that could be good. closer to all right, let's see. This could be the trade today, and then we can just call it. Hopefully this gives me what I want. So maybe a dip 61. I wouldn't be too upset. I will take it. If it doesn't go my way, whatever, man. It is what it is. We tried it. We tried it, we tried it, and we tried it. So here we go. Looks like we're getting stuffed right here, right above 70. So we might need to grab some liquidity down here. See if I can grab something low 60s. Didn't quite get that. Um, yeah, I'm gonna be patient here. I'm gonna have to add a little lower than I'm thinking. 59. I'll add around 59. If it breaks 60, I'll add. $63. Gotta be patient on this. This seems to be moving real slower now. 61. 60. Ooh, 60. 60. 60 again. Buyers. So many buyers here. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Good buyers. Good buyers. But it's not moving. Good buyers. Good buyers. Adding. So added right there. Stop's 57. Stop is flat. Added 51. Sorry, 61. Now I want to see this thing. Picture perfect move. Come on. Come on. 64. Let's see it. Needs to break this high right here, 71. I will start scaling out right above on the break of that high. If it makes a new low, I won't be too happy about it. So let's zoom in here. This candle's gonna close green. If we make a new low right here, maybe 63, I need to get out. So looking for this to push. To make a new low, 63, I need to get out. So you can linger above 65 all you want. But if you make a new low, gotta get out. I gotta get out. Out. Dang it, 62. All right. Man, that sucks. Ooh, okay. Okay. I'll get in here, 58. Tight stop. Tight. Super tight. Super tight. I know this kind of stock. This type of stock, it likes to give like a drop, but there's no continuation on the selling. So that's the thing about it. So plus we're in a great area here, an area I like, and it's SSR. So picture is looking very good. All right, let's see this. Let's see this. Stop is pretty tight. Ah, come on. Come on. Don't break that gap. It's also gap reclaim on this one. So stop is 57. Yeah, I gotta get out. Oh, you son of a gun. Ah, ah. All right, let's see. Watching this, brother. I'm watching this. It's below VWAP, but I think it wants to make a move. SBLX is also moving, but I don't know about that. I like this one better. I've been doing well on this. I've been getting the timing right on this. So let's see. Might be a dip here. So looking for a dip. 61, 60 perhaps. 61, 61. 60. Fine, 60. 60 is a good spot. Tight stop. Tight stop. 59. Ah, dude. I'm just trying to time it, but I miss it. So I either got to get in 60 with a bit of a room. Dang it. Ah, dang it. All right, gonna have to give it a break. All right, looks like I was close to catching it. It's making that move now. I think we can we can see what we get here. VWAP still a tough area, VWAP. So what's it gonna be? So hmm. SBLX has news. AI factory infrastructure. Okay. So it looks like we got a momentum shift here. So that could have been a good dip. 67. Low that was 65. 66. 65. Tight stop. 65. Let's do it. So this could be a great momentum shift. I see the volume is picking up on the green side. So let's see if we can get a nice move here through 70. Minute 66 basically. 68. 69. No, out flat. It's a risky trade. We're right at VWAP. I could wait for it to break VWAP, but I'm looking for a faster resolution there. Breaking 65, 64. No, I'll be patient. I got to take better quality setups. All right, here we go. I need 170 on the bid. I need 170 on the bid here. This thing volume is gonna start picking up. 169 too. I think 170 is a nice 0 cent level. Let's see. Let's see. We're holding that to 80. Here we go. 70 on the ask. I need a 70 on the bid, and the algos are gonna kick in right here. 70 on the bid. 70 on the bid. Here we go. Come on, give me a little, nice little dip. Brother. 74. Dip, 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 dip. Fine, I'm in here. That's good enough for me. 74. Tight stop. Squeeze these guys out of the way, bro. 70, 77. There it is. 77. 78. 80. There it is. 80. Buyers, buyers, buyers buying the break of 80. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Break of 80. Break of 80. Break of 80. Boom. Squeeze. I'll go 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 squeeze out. No. Barely got anything on it, I think. What did I get? Let's see. 79. Yeah, I lost. I lost on the on that ad. The ad was kind of high. Let's see. Uh, let's see. 80 back to 80. I wanted that algo squeeze happening, bro. Oh man, not happening as quickly as we thought. Right on that push, but it did come. We did get the break. We did get the break of 80. Let's see. We could get a dip here, maybe a dip. We reached the gap, so I'll get a pullback. I'll size up on this pullback here. If we get a dip 73, that would be nice. Dang it. What do we got? It's choppy. Too choppy right here in the 80s. Not smooth. Not as smooth. 5 minute. Looking for this dip. Let's see if you can hold 73, 72. I'll add 72. Brother! Oh, you're not gonna fill me? No way. What's going on? No. I'm in at 73. Wow. Come on, push. Yeah, I'm out. No way. Wow, that's crazy, bro. That took like a second to get filled. Why? I'm adding 71. Adding 71. Push. No, out. 68. Yeah, whatever. All right. That's crazy. Wow, that's lame. Okay, I'm just gonna take the 14 bucks. No! What? What's he doing back here? Bro, sizing down. All right, I'm not touching. Okay, let's try SBLX here. So 410, 408. Maybe we can grab a nice push here. Looking pretty squeezy. Mm, probably won't get a dip here on that gap. That's below. But I think we can get a nice dip here. 17, 16. I'll take 14. There you go. 13. Don't break 10 or 8, I guess. Minute 14. 17. I'll reduce some risk here. Not liking how this is moving. 18. Okay, 18. Not liking how this is moving, honestly. But we can give it a sec. Okay, cool. So we got that. All right, we'll take the 200. Reduce some risk there because we didn't like how well that was moving. So now we're going to 30s. I'll take it right here in the 35 area. Boom. Cool. So we took some of it there. All right. Nice. So see if we can get a nice push. Size down there, only 400 shares. Because we came back from a very bad day and we're making our way back and we want to do it carefully. So maybe we'll get a dip back to 4. No, I don't think so. Don't have a setup here. 420, maybe 410. But I would love to take some size on this, bro. As long as I don't get smoked. So it can squeeze. It looks like it can squeeze. So right there, 36. We'll take a little more size here. Risking 60. Let's risk 60 bucks here. Here we go. 36. Let's get the breakout. So 36. 50. Let's try it again. 7 seconds. Let's see if we can get a nice dip here. $47, 46, 45 keeps popping up. 45. It bounced to 45 a couple times already. It's moving pretty wild. I don't really don't typically like it. It's got a weird range. I don't know. Don't know. I would rather get a dip on it. Good move though. Dang. Tough move. Here we go. So I think we can get a dip here. I'll size up on this dip. I like it. 36 to 45 for that dip down there to 23. That's going to be the low of the 5 minute. So I think we can get a nice dip down there in the 30s. Let's see for the next leg up. Looking for the next leg up, being patient. Dang. No dip. Buyers. Buyers, buyers, buyers. Stepping in the 50s. Over 64. I don't know. I want to get a dip. I missed this one. I didn't think it would work. I do think there's another dip down here. Hmm. 64. I would get in here with small size, see if it wants to break. Looks like it's rejecting. Moving quite quickly. Yeah, it's rejecting. I'll take a dip down here. New 5 minute. All right, here we go. So we got a 5 minute there. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of this. So I'm going to be looking for a dip in this area. Five is a target on this. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna make it through here. It ain't giving a dip. Gotta take it, gotta take it, gotta take it. 76 over 76. Depends how strong it is. It's pretty high. I don't know. I would much rather get a dip. If it wants to carry on, it'll carry on. The momentum's gonna step in. Algo's gonna start stepping in here once it hits 80, maybe. So, yeah, nope, 80 right there. So 80 is the high of that. Otherwise, I'm looking for a dip down here, 40.23, right over 80. Here we go. Now it's getting stuffed. Goes up to 80, looking to 40. Guess not yet. Here we go. 40 to 23. So keep it tight. Needs to get below 40 though. So maybe the next candle. Maybe in the next candle. Let's see it. 40. I think this can give a good bounce. Yesterday I got caught in some craziness on a drop. So hopefully this can give a nice bounce if it goes below 40. Ah, not a bounce yet. It goes right there. Dang it. Let's see, darn it. So over what? Over 60? Yeah, this could do it over 60. I'll do small size because I don't know. So 57 is that low or that line right there. That line. So we're gonna form a gap here in the next 5 seconds. Let's see what we got. Small size, and I'll try to add to my position. Get this move back. Get this move to $5. 60s. Don't don't find an entry on this. Why? All right, this thing is moving quickly. This thing is moving quickly. And there's your move to 5. $86. Even if I get in, I get one of the worst fills ever. 90. It's just such a weird stock, huh? Let's get it. Looking just at the chart, looks like we might get a break of 6 there. Out. That was weird. Not much, man. Don't feel confident with 800 shares. It just seems like it's gonna flush. Wanted to see a dip, but I didn't quite get a nice dip. This 5 minute is up to 5. This is worth a dip here. Worth the dip right here, 57.62. Went down to 68, bro. Just, ah, 70, I guess. Um, maybe it'll try to retest. I wish we gotten this earlier in the day, with more eyes on it. Could move differently. Ooh, 60. Yeah, it doesn't respect this gap. Needs to get back over 60. No. Oh, back over 60. Fine, I'll get in here. Don't disappoint here, brother. I'm in at 61. 57 is that stop. No, no. All right, back. Gave back some of it. That was a gap reclaim. I'm thinking it's going to. Ah, there it is. Yeah. Whatever. Well, look at that. What do we get here? 23 is that low. Is this worth a dip? I've been looking for dips, but low that is 26. I'm actually not sure how this is gonna move on a dip. Hmm. I think I'm gonna leave this alone. Okay, brother, if you want to hold this level, what's that low? 23? Man, I missed it. What was that low? 26 again? Just watching it from the corner of my eye. Man, okay, never mind. 26 again. Here we go. No, had to go right there. What is this? If it gets back over 26, 23, could be good. Or 20. Nice. Back over this gap. Back over this gap. Let's do it. Minute 23. That's lame. Green. I need to see green here. Nope. Not green at all. Not green at all. It's in this gap, so it's a tight stop, you know? So I'm looking for that. And it goes a little lower and higher. And yeah, I should have left this alone when I was up $60. All right, I'm done. I haven't taken any trades, so thankfully I was able to save this day because the momentum was there. Let's take a look. Down as much as 350 on ATER. That was brutal, man. That drop was brutal. I let's just take a look. I don't my conviction on it. I was too confident. So I'm in here on this gap and go, I believe. Yep. So it goes all the way up to 23, I think, or something like that. I don't quite remember, but on the way back, I'm still holding. So getting out flat here, looking for the bigger move, bigger picture. I see that there's a gap down here, so I'm thinking, okay, let me see if I can grab it. In at 17, out 16. Then I'm sizing up. Bang, in right here, 3K, 15. That's got to be the low. Nope. That is not the low. Out 14 and a half. Back in again at 12 and out at 8. Bro. So I might as well be in from here and risk the 5 cents here. Then risking 1 cent and then risking 4 cents here. So 5 cents in 2 trades, you know. I don't know. It's just really tough. Like this thing just did not dip. It had to get. I mean, I just super confident on there being a dip. Anyway, whatever. I'm down like 180 on there, 160. Next trade on this was the dip. Opens up here, 25. I'm looking, okay, dip under 20. Goes to like 19. Try to get it. No, in at 20. Fine. Comes down. Bang. Okay, brother. All right, fine. Eat that 5 cent loss. Next trade. Goes all the way down here to 14, I think. Then climbs back to 17, and it's holding. Boom, in again at 17. See if I can get the reclaim back to the highs. Bro, I get smoked. I got rocked again. Out 11 just to see this thing bounce at 11 and then up to 25. Like, this thing had some risk in it, brother, but jeez. And then I just stopped touching this thing. I just could not trust this thing on any moves. It's just choppy. What is this? I think I tried to look for one here, not just watch the chart just drop. SNBR, I think I had 2 trades on this. And right here at 4, looking for the continuation of 4. It's pretty high after a hold. I didn't take this. That was a beautiful dip at 350. Didn't take it. But that's the kind of dip we got to get in there with 1,000 shares at the very least. And then, boom, we see this at $4. Easy money. That's all right. Anyway, took that trade, did not hold 4. Took a dip here with a stop at, I think it was the lows of this, 35 or 40. I think my stop was 40. Out right here, 52. Turned out to be a better trade. It moved all the way up to 80. Whatever. Got it back. SBLX. Nice dip. It moved like crap, though. Moved like crap. Out there, 17. The rest of 35. It's moving like crap, so I didn't really think it would do any much after that. So, and then I tried to get another one here for the break of 5. Again, moved like crap. Broke 5, went to 506. Yeah, out. Um, I don't know, man. I'm thinking of just cutting these trades, like cutting this and just sticking more to this, right? Putting more emphasis on this because I should be taking profit here, not buying, you know. Buying a dip, failed. Buying another dip, goes a little lower, failed. I just left it alone. I'll take my profit. I don't have it. My timing on it is not good. My read on it is not good. Then we move on to the stock that I did the best on, which was this one. Nice gap and go here. Good. 72.81. Nice. In right there. Good trade. Good trade. Good risk to reward on this. Boom. This is the trade that I was kind of so frustrating, brother. In right there, 65 on the gap. It looked great. Out here, adding here at 7 goes all the way up to 80. I don't take profit all the way up to 86. Don't take profit. Dip to 70, adding right there at 70. I'm thinking, okay, we're gonna see 90 in this and $2. Brother, it just fails, man. Fails. Ended up being a $50 loss, bro. It's painful to see the potential here, man. If it can just do a nice dip, do something like this. Dip, come back, go higher. What? So lame. Tried it again here, 69, looking for that move. Why did I try this? I thought it would, I thought it would hold the top of that gap, but it went down lower. So no, it didn't work. Then here in at 58, too high. I wanted to hold, but I saw 53 thinning out, and 53 is my stop. And I'm thinking, oh, I really don't want to trade this. I didn't really don't want to hold. But it holds 53, bounces, and then it goes higher. And that is sort of the low of that this move here. Dang, brother. That sucks. So down 100 on that one. Tried another dip. So at this point, I'm thinking, okay, I'm just gonna take my profit. If I see it, I gotta take it because too many times have I had profit and I didn't take it. So turn this $50 loser, which was almost like a $200 winner. So unrealized though, but I realized maybe this stock I just gotta scalp it. So scalp that one, tight stop on this, scalp that one, gap and go, nice. Scalped it again, right? Boom, right here on the gap, the 1 minute gap. And there you go. So I got some money there. I try to dip there. I got a nice, beautiful trade here too. So this was much better, right? So when the momentum is hot, I'm scalping it. But I got a beautiful dip right here. Retested, did not break. Did all this move at VWAP. A struggle at VWAP. Added right here, 61. I'm looking for that move higher. Rejection and out right away. I'm not holding this. I gotta take the profit. Out 62 and a half. Whatever. $100 in the bank. In again at 58. I'm thinking this stock is SSR. It could drop and I could grab the dip, get stopped out by 1 cent, goes a little higher. I wanted to see quick reclaim and make a move to the highs or to 180. I think I had a target of 180. Tried it here one more time. Nope. Tried it here one more time. Nope. Just trying these little setups here, just like 1K, reducing size. Anyway, I looked at this and okay, and then I said this thing is looking juicy. If it prints 170 on the bid, it printed in 70. It actually didn't print. It skipped 170, went to 171 on the bid, and it just got away from me. It got away from me, and I'm thinking, oh, I gotta get in this. This is looking really good. New candle dip in that right there, 75. Added right there, 79 for the break of 80. Nope, out 79. So not much there, just $30, sadly. Sadly, just 30 bucks. Then in right here, 73, out 72. This was a slow fill. The fill on this was dramatically slow. I think it took me like 6 seconds to get filled and immediately got out because I didn't want to, I did not want to linger here. So sadly, that was a loss. In right here, just a cent lower, 72. I'm thinking, okay, you're still lingering, you're holding, so the gap, it's a good gap. So tried it again, big size. So these two were bigger size. And nope, did not do it. So that was my last trade, and I'm thinking, okay, whatever. And that's how I managed to get back to green starting at 956. So 956, yeah, so good trade on this one. BIYA, two small losses. Then I got some good trades, BYA, SNBR, BYA, yep, BIYA. And just basically on that, that's where I got the most money. Made some money as SBLX, gave some back. Too many trades though, too many trades. I think I just gotta, I'm going to just force myself to take 10 trades a day. I've been saying that so much, you know. Back in January, I changed my style. I don't know what I did. I'm already forgetting what I did here. But when I changed my strategy from hyper scalping into this new style, I was seeing more consistency. I was seeing a heck of a lot more consistency with less trades. So I'm gonna have to do that. I'm gonna have to take bigger size and less trades. I think that's the way forward. If it ain't there, it ain't there, and there's no need to push it. February was mid. The last few days were kind of off. I sized up in March, and took some losses. End of March was good. We were getting a nice swing of good days. And man, days are just passing by, and I'm like, I'm giving back. I'm giving back. I'm giving back too much. I'm giving back this $500 day. How did this come about? Just like when the day is good, the day is just good, man. The day is just good. Like 106 to 118, like that's beautiful. Like, you know, excellent, bro. Excellent. Did I add on this? Yeah, I added. I added on it. That's beautiful. Beautiful stuff. I mean, when I'm dialed in, bro. Dang. Okay. Ah, okay. My goal is to be a great trader, and days like these cannot happen. Days like these cannot happen, bro. I cannot get out of control. They cluster a lot in a short amount of time too. So this day, bro, it's unfortunate being green. This one, no, this is red. Being green and just letting it go. SCNI, what the heck was this? Oops. Good trade, and I just lose it, lose it, lose it, lose it. Lose it. I cannot lose it, man. Cannot lose it. Gotta keep my green. Gotta keep the green, bro. Gotta keep the green. Keep the green. Keep the green, you know? If I kept the green, 3 of these days I think could have ended up. Keep the green right here. 1, 2, This is fine. I guess I kept the green here. And then there was another trade, another day. 3. Look at that. 3 days. 3 days where I could have kept the green. 250, 100, $6. So that already is what? 350. Yeah, 350. Add another 350 on that, and if I would have kept the green, that would have been like closer to 2K. Man. So those red days are really crushing me. I'm also trading too much, so starting tomorrow, less than 10 trades. Less than 10 trades. All right. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm rambling. I'm just kind of frustrated that the month is getting away from me. Come over to Mr. Profit, try the free trading analysis tool. You guys speak about it all the time. Select a broker, add a file, and see what you can see your trades for the day. So you'll see this field right here, this page right here. See it? Join us for $5 a month, 50 a year. It's the most affordable trading analytics dashboard, and it's like the best. It's got everything you need. Just look at the features here. It's got everything you need. Winner versus loser, date, what time of the day you perform better, what price you perform better, your drawdowns, your calendar, day performance. This is the best view. It just tells me exactly a breakdown of the day. The charts is also the best, one of the best features we have. So check it out. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Sign up. Journaling too. You can journal. The beautiful thing about this is the journal sits right above your stats, so you can write it down right away. Look, check this out. Hit right here, journal. H1 fumble. What a fumble. And it saves. Right? Saves right there. I don't like it, so I'm gonna delete it. So yeah, come over to Mr. Profit. Do it. Join me. Hit me up on Discord. If you need any help, you have any questions, hit me up. But join us. The community is growing. I'm giving out call outs. I'm telling you what I'm trading. And yeah, be part of this journey. I'll see you tomorrow. Grow with me. Hey, if you're a trader just like me or around where I'm standing, around where my stats are at, grow with me. Let's grow together. Join the Discord. I'll see you tomorrow.